dear students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. So dear students, today let me start GK Unit 1, Chapter number 1, Amazing Animals. Okay, so let me start. Animals with their beauty and wonderfully varied abilities always fascinate and amaze human beings. So the superlative forms of some animals are given below. Identify and write their names. Number one is the largest living creature on earth. So this is blue whale. Number 2, the heaviest land animal, African elephant. African elephant. Number 3, the heaviest bird, ostrich bird. Ostrich. Number 4, the tallest animal, giraffe. Next, number 5, the fastest land animal, cheetah. Number 6, the fastest bird. The fastest bird is peregrine falcon. Number 7, the fastest fish, snail fish. Number 8, the largest snake, anaconda. This is anaconda. Number 9, the smallest bird. The smallest bird is bee hummingbird. Bee hummingbird. Number 10, the longest migration. Number 10, longest migration is Arctic tern. Now number 11, the longest life span, turtles. Number 12, most venomous creature on earth, sea wasp. Number 13, the largest fish. The largest fish is whale shark. Whale shark. Okay. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 2. The chapter number 2 is hunter and haunted. Over time, animals have developed many ways to stay away from predators. So every creature has to worry about being eaten by predators that are bigger, stronger or faster. But they have tricks for staying alive. है ना? क्या होता है ना, छोटे छोटे जीव जंतुओं को खतरा होता है बड़े जानवरों से जो उन्हें खा जाते हैं, लेकिन उनका भी अपना एक तरीका होता है बचने का. So test your knowledge about animals and their hiding tactics. Read the description to the related creature and write their names in the boxes. So use the clue box for help. Number 1. It changes color with the season. In summer, it spots a brown cat that blends in with its surroundings. So it loses its brown fur in autumn. It grows white fur for winter. Okay, so this is snowshoe here. This is snowshoe here. Okay, actually, snowshoe here. Number 2. It is a hard, leathery armor shell covering most of its body. It rolls itself up into a ball and tucks its head and tail inside, and most predators can't find a place to sink their teeth into. So this is armadillo. Okay, number 3. It does not hide, it is flashy, and its yellow color is meant to stand out, and it wants the predators to stay away for get stung. This is wasp. Number 4. It lives in groups in underground burrows. Okay, when it spots a foe, it cries out a warning that tells its neighbors to hide. It is meerkat. Okay, it is meerkat. Next, number 5. It sprays an unbearable smell to defend itself against predators. The spray can cause extreme irritation and sometimes temporary blindness. Number 5. It is skunk. Number 6. It opens its mouth as wide as a cat. Okay, the skin around its neck pops out like an umbrella. It hisses and whips its long tail around. So this makes it looks bigger and scarier than usual. So number 6, this is frilled lizard. Number 7. Its quills jab the attacker and break off from its body. Okay, instead of a meal, the predator gets a face full of quills. Okay, so the name is porcupine. Porcupine. Number 8. They live in a large groups called herds. Their stripes make the running herd look like a giant black and white blur. Predators have a tough time catching a big, fast blur. So this is zebra. Number 9. It pulls its head and legs inside its hard shell, which makes it truly hard to eat. So these are turtle. This is a turtle. Okay. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 3. So the chapter number 3 is marine animals. जो बीच पे जो समुद्र में होते हैं. So ocean and seas are the salt water bodies that support countless varieties of animal species. And this is not surprising since life itself originated in the seas. See these marine animals and try to identify them. A clue box is given for your assistance. So let me start. 1. This is sea turtle. Number 2. This is beluga whale. Number 3. Sea urchin. Okay. Now next, number 4 is manta ray. Number 5. This is sea lion. Sea lion. Next, number 6 is giant squid. Giant squid. Next, number 7 is great white shark. This is great white shark. Next, number 8 is dolphin. Number 9 is sailfish. This is sailfish. Next, number 10, it is barracuda fish. Next, number 11, this is jellyfish. And the last one, number 12, it is cuttlefish. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 4. So the chapter number 4 is plant crossword. So complete the given plant crossword across and down. So let me start. Across this is and down this is. Number 1, this mini bees lives in gardens. Number 1, it is insect. So these are the insect. A place where trees and plants are grown. Number 2, garden. Number 3, natural way by which plants get water. Number 3 is rain. Number 4, when you plant seeds, you dash them. Number 4, where is the sow? 5, dash is made by bees. Honey. Number 5. Number 6, kind of tree which grows near water. Now, number 6 is willow. Number 7, beginning stage of a flower. Bud. B-U-D, bud. U-D, bud. Okay. Now, number 8, main stem of a tree. Number 8, it is trunk. Okay. Now it's the time turn down. Okay. Now, number 3, this helps to hold the plant in the soil and absorb nutrients. Number 3, it is root. Means jad. You know? Number 6, used to make houses, toys, furniture, paper, etc. So, where is the number 6? Wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. Okay. Next, number 9. Plants and trees grow in this. So, number 9 is soil. Number 10. Part of a branch. So, where is number 10? This. Twig. T-W-I-G. Twig. Number 11. All plants need this to grow. Number 11. Water. Number 12. Part of a tree. Where is number 12? This. Branch. B-R-A-C-H. Number 13. This hold seeds until they ripen. Number 30. It is seed pod. Number 14. This grows on plants, looks pretty and smells nice. Flowers. These are the flowers. Okay. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 5. So the chapter number 5 is plants and leaves. So students, fill in the blanks to complete these sentences about photosynthesis. Number 1. Plants take in carbon dioxide along with air through their leaves, stomata. Stomata. Number 2. Water is absorbed through the dash and carried to the leaves through the stems and branches. So number 2 is roots. जड़ों के द्वारा ही तो पानी जाता है ना पेड़ों में. Number 3. Dash in the leaves traps the sun's energy. Chlorophyll. Number 4. This trapped energy is used to combine water and dash produce food glucose for the plant. This water and carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Number 5. In the above process, oxygen is given out as a byproduct through the tiny openings in the leaves. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा oxygen. Now question number B. Look at these leaves and complete the names of the plants, trees that they belongs to. Number 1. These are the banyan leaves. Number 2, banana. Okay, banana. Number 3 is papaya. Number 4, neem. Number 5, cactus. Number 6, spinach. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 6. So the chapter number 6 is National Parks and Sanctuaries. So what about this? A national park or sanctuary is an area reserved for the conservation of wild nature. Okay, so Yellowstone National Park was the first national park established in 1872 in the United States. So India's first national park was established in 1936 as Hale National Park, now called Jim Corbett National Park, Uttarakhand. So some national parks and sanctuaries are given below. Match them to the names of the states where they are located. Okay, so let me start. Dudhwa National Park in Uttar Pradesh. E. Kanha National Park 2, option F, Madhya Pradesh. Number 3, Gir Forest National Park. So, Gujarat. Option A. Mudumalai Sanctuary. Okay. Question, number 4 is option C, Tamil Nadu. Now next, question number 5. Ranthambore National Park in Rajasthan. Option A. Number 6. Kaziranga National Park in option B, Assam. Okay. Next, number 7. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary. So number 7, option D, in Kerala. Number 8. Bandipur National Park. So option L, Karnataka. Number 9, Sundarbans Tiger Reserve. So number 9 is option G, West Bengal. Number 10, Hazaribagh National Park in option K, Jharkhand. Number 11, Dachigam National Park. So that's in Jammu Kashmir, option I. Number 12, Indravati National Park in Chhattisgarh, option H. Okay, so these are the national park. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 7. Insects world. Insects are small creatures that have 6 legs. There are about 1 million kinds of insects. So name the insects given below using the clue box. Okay, so let me start. Number 1, so this is a house fly. है ना, हाउस फ्लाई जिसको हम मक्खी बोलते हैं. Number 1, house fly. Number 2, moth. This is moth. Next, number 3, mosquito. Number 4, this is cricket. Next, number 5 is bug. Okay, this is bug. Number 6, it is locust. Number 7 is beetle. This is beetle. Number 7 is beetle. Next, number 8, butterfly. Number 9, हनी बी, जिसको हम मधुमक्खी कहते हैं. ठीक है. नंबर 9 इज हनी बी. Now last one is number 10 is ant. Ant means cheetah. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 8. This is water sources of India. The source of a river is the place from where the water in the river originates. A river travels from its source in the mountains or other highland areas to the sea. Sources of some well-known rivers of India are given below. Can you identify the rivers? 1. The rivers flows through Tibet, Assam and Bangladesh. It has its source in a great glacier in the Kailash range of the Himalayas at a height of 5,150 meters. This is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra. Number 2. This holy river of India has its source in Gangotri Glacier, Ganga. Number 3. Hiran and Taba are the tributaries of this west flowing river. It has its source in the plateau of Amarkantak. So this is Narmada. Okay, so this river is Narmada. Number 4. The name of our country is derived from the name of this river. It has its source near Mansarovar Lake at a height of 5,180 meters. It is Indus. यानी कि सिंधु नदी है ये. Number 5. Purna is a tributary of this west flowing river. It has its source in the sacred tank of Multai in the Satpura plateau. So this is Tapi Nadi. Number 6. It is one of the 5 rivers that flow through the state of Punjab. It has its source near Rohtang Pass at a height of 4,062 meters. So it is Vees. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 9. Are good friends. Okay. Read the reason why you should choose a company of good friends. Write the qualities of good friends in the given blank. You may use the clue box. Number 1. Good friends help to protect you from wrong habits like lying and stealing. They develop confidence in you, protect you from the company of bad friends, and save you from negative thoughts. So these are save you from negativity. Number 2. By listening to and observing good friends, you learn many valuable things from them. Their good tips and experiences contribute to your success. Number 2. Give you an honest opinion. give you an honest opinion. Okay, next, number 3. When you share your happiness with your good friends, the happiness is multiplied many times over. Similarly, if you share your problems and difficulties with them, the problems are solved. So they help you to think clearly and act quickly to solve them. So help you in time of need. जब आपको उनकी ज़रूरत होगी वो हमेशा आपके लिए हाजिर हैं. So they help you in time of need. They help you in time of need. Now last one, number 4. Good friends make a major impact on your life. With good qualities, the time you spend with them can help you think and behave like a good child. Okay? So, strengthen your thought process. Thought process. So my dear students, all chapters of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet to the next class. Thank you everyone.